I'm going to teach you how to build the most effective tool in point fighting. Most fighters throw the blitz, few understand it. I'm going to teach you how to make it count. The blitz is the most common technique in point fighting. You launch your body at your opponent and throw a hand technique. Have you ever thrown a blitz and been met with a guard? That's because you aren't utilizing various hand techniques. The template of the blitz is always the same. You launch your body forwards and you throw your hands. The building part is what hands to use based off of what your opponent has open. For this technique to be truly effective, it needs to be used in combination. Each strike creates an opening for the next. Blitz combination number 1, the back fist punch. The back fist with the lead creates the opening to the head as long as your opponent's blocking their head, which creates the body opening for that reverse punch. Blitz combination number 2, the punch to back fist. The body punch will cause your opponent's guard to close, which will allow a head opening for your back fist. Blitz combination number 3, the punch back fist overhead punch. The reverse punch to the body will cause your opponent's guard to close. But then if their high block is fast enough, they're blocked for that back fist. But now that it's being challenged by the back fist, you could pull that down for the overhead punch. Utilizing various blitz techniques increases the likelihood of landing a successful blitz and keeps your opponent guessing. This one's definitely not as fun to do without a training partner, but we don't always have that option, so we're gonna do it on the heavy bag. Doing blitzes on a heavy bag is more about learning your distancing, how far you can get it, and the placement, where to put your punches. Once you have your distancing and placement, you could basically do this as fast as you'd like, which is essentially torpedoing your body into the heavy bag. We hope this helped. Let us know if you learned something new. And don't forget to
like
and
subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.